Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Andi Alfian Darmawan, and I am as a student from Plant-Based and Disease Department, Agriculture Faculty, Hasanuddin University, Indonesia. I would like to say thank you to the committee of the third International Conference on Food Security and Sustainable Agriculture in the Tropics 2021 for giving me a chance to presenting my paper with the title is Rapid Detection of Burkholderia glumeae, Causal Agent of Grain Rot Disease in Rice Seed from Goa Regency, South Sulawesi using enzyme-linked immunosorbents assay. Okay, there are 4 parts of the main topics. The first is introduction, the second is methods, the third is result and discussion, and the fourth is conclusion. Okay, the first, introduction. Burkholderia glumeae, causal agent of bacterial grain rot, attack rice plantation, and it causing 40% losses and severe infections reported up to 80%. Burkholderia glumeae firstly reported in Japan in the 1950s, and it spread to the other countries of Asia, Africa, and America. In Indonesia, this bacteria firstly reported in 1987, but the damage was still insignificant. However, in 2015, this bacteria reported again and causing severe damage. The bacteria has been detected in South Sulawesi at several regencies, that is Maros, Baru, Sidrap, and Luwu. Rapid detection of plant pathogen using enzyme-linked immunosorbents assay is used to detect the presence of plant pathogen based on reaction between antigen to antibodies. This study aimed to rapidly detect Burkholderia glumeae, causal agent of grain rot disease, in rice seed from Goa Regency, South Sulawesi. The second is methods. Sampling. Samples obtained in 10 districts in the main rice producing areas of Goa Regency, South Sulawesi using non-probability purposive sampling method. All of the samples that obtained showing grain rot symptoms. Prepare of the test. Detection of Burkholderia glumeae using indirect enzyme-linked immunosorbents assay with monoclonal antibody for Burkholderia glumeae from Agdia Incorporate. One-time buffers were prepared and it will be used for the sample. Samples were crushed using a mortar and pestle to extract the bacteria. Test procedure. Total of 0.5 grams of the sample mixed with 100 microliters of one-time coating buffer with ratio of 1/10. Positive and negative controls of Burkholderia glumeae were prepared and then all of the samples were added into the microplate and incubated in a humid box lined with wetted tissue at 4 degrees Celsius for 1 night. Blocking solution of 5% non-fat dry milk in PBS buffer were prepared and then 200 microliters of blocking solutions were added to each well. After that, plant incubated in a humid box for 30 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius. Antibody preparation carried out within 10 minutes before use by diluting concentrated PBST buffer with non-fat dry milk with ratio according to antiserakid instructions. Plant washed using a quick flipping motion to dump the wells into a waste container without mixing the contents. After that, all the wells filled completely with one-time PBST, and then wells quickly emptied again and repeated twice. Frames were folded up by upside down and tapped firmly on a folded paper towel to remove all droplets of wash buffer. Dispense 100 microliters of prepared detection antibody per well and then plant incubated in a humid box for an hour at room temperature. Enzyme conjugate preparation carried out within 10 minutes before use. Preparing the enzyme conjugate diluent by dilute concentrated PBST buffer with non-fat dry milk with ratio according to the manual reagent used. All the wells filled completely with one-time PBST and then wells quickly emptied again and repeated 7 times. Frames were folded like the previous step. Dispense 100 microliters of prepared enzyme conjugate per well and then plant incubated in a humid box for an hour at room temperature. About 15 minutes before the end of above incubation step, 5 ml of room temperature one-time PNP buffer measured for each tablet that will be used. PNP tablets added to the buffer without touching and exposing to the strong light. Wells emptied into a waste container. All the wells filled completely with one-time PBST and then Wells quickly emptied again and repeated 7 times. Frames were holded like the previous steps. Dispense 100 microliters of PNP substrate into each well. Plate incubated in dark place for 60 minutes. Examining the wells by measuring on a plate reader at 405 nanometers. Samples indicated as negative if average absorbance value less than 2 times average absorbance value of negative control. Samples indicated as positive if average absorbance value more than 2 times average absorbance value of negative control. The third is result and discussion. Varieties that found in the field including Impari 32, Ciherang, Ciliwung, and Cigolis. All of the samples shown brown spot or necrotic lesion symptoms which appear from base of the grains and in severe infection, panicle upright and loss of grain weight due empty grains with a dark basal rod. Based on ELISA result, it shown that 2 times of average absorbance value of negative control is 0.550. Sample from South Bontonompo district has an average absorbance value is 0.426, which means that the sample has less than 2 times average absorbance value of negative control, so the sample indicated as negative. The other 9 samples has an average absorbance value more than 2 times average absorbance value of negative control, so the sample indicated as positive. It is suspected that the samples from South Bontonompo caused by Burkholderia gladioli or Burkholderia plantari, because Burkholderia glumei, Burkholderia gladioli, and Burkholderia plantari also known to infect rice plants, causing similar symptoms, and it was not possible to distinguish between species in the field. And this statement is according to Yukito et al. 2006 and said that Burkholderia glumei, Burkholderia gladioli, and Burkholderia plantari also known to infect rice plants and causing similar symptoms. And the fourth is conclusion. Burkholderia glumei, causal agent of grain rot disease in rice seed, has been detected in 9 out of 10 districts in Goa Regency, South Sulawesi, including Patalasang, Parangloe, Palanga, Bontomaranu, Sombaopu, Barombong, West Bajeng, and Bontonompo. Infected rice varieties including Impari 32, Ciherang, Ciliwung, and Cigolis. I think that's all, and thank you for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.